Right, we're recording now. Hang on. Oh. We're going to do a bit of video from the journey from Uncle Nobs. Whoa, out of the way, dog. Out of the way, you silly ass. Oh, he's not coming with us, is he? Whoa. Right, here we go. This is the journey from Uncle Nobs to home through the temple. Bit of respect. He knows the way. Look at that stupid bloody dog. Look. Down here a bit bumpy. Bye bye, don't run forward. Oh, look at that, he's sitting on the last dog. Let's bring him back later. Now this is Dad's Mini Mar coming on nicely. Sleeping dogs. Oi! Unnecessary, wasn't it? Alright, boy. Don't keep running in front of the motorbike, you'll bloody have an accident. Silly horse. I don't know what this is. Good though, isn't it? Some dumb. Oh yeah, some dumb shop. Oi, get out of the bloody way. Look, here we go, more dogs. Look, he's going to have a fight with him now. Look. Oh, it's not necessary. There's some kids. Look, hello. I think we lost their dog. Doing a bit of welly. Past the hairdressers. He loves the